everyone, in today's episode we are going to talk about two products created by LastObject, a company dedicated to creating sustainable alternatives to single-use products. LastTissue and LastSwab. We are going to start off with LastSwab, a reusable, sustainable and sanitary alternative to single-use cotton swabs. Look how tiny it is! LastSwab comes in a biodegradable corn-based on-the-go carry case. As for the swab, its core is made from stiff, compact nylon for durability, and the wads are made of soft medical silicone. Okay, I know that a reusable swab sounds a bit too much, and there will be some people that will be like,
no way, I'm using my swab twice.
But think about it. We each individually go through hundreds of cotton swabs each year, and all of those cotton swabs have to be produced, warehoused and shipped. A process that uses raw materials and generates harmful to the environment carbon emissions. And all of that for what? To use them once? And then throw them away? Come on. That doesn't make sense. And that's not even the worst part. The worst part is that many times those little guys will end up on the beaches and in the oceans harming marine life. However, that's where LastObject is supposed to come in and save the day with their LastSwabs, which come in two versions: LastSwab Basic for cleaning and LastSwab Beauty for makeup, both of which are supposed to withhold up to 1,000 uses.
1,000 uses?
1,000 uses? 1,000 uses? Okay, obviously I'm not gonna sit here and test it 1,000 times, but let's give it a try once and see how it feels, shall we? It definitely cleans. What do you think?
It does, yeah, it does the job perfectly. It doesn't really feel like the regular one because of the silicone. You can feel it's silicone, but I think it cleans very well. You have the pointy edge you need for cleaning your makeup, and you have the regular side. And I really love it has a case. It's way more hygienic when you put it in your makeup case. You just don't drop it in there. It has its own case. So I feel it's gonna be a perfect fit.
Well, as you saw, LastSwab does as it says on the tin. So now let's see how easy it is to clean them. Okay. Yeah, and it's clean. Pretty simple. Final verdict. I think this is a very high quality, well-made product with a great idea in mind. And I think for £10 it's definitely worth a try. Both versions of LastSwabs can be purchased online from their website, and they both come in several different colors, making it easy for you to organize your swabs and avoid mixing them at home with your friends or family. And now over to the second product, LastTissue. LastTissue are reusable organic cotton tissues which come in this super slick silicone case. So here's how it works. You pull the clean tissues out from the bottom. You use it. Once used, stuff the tissue down from the top. Once all 6 tissues are used, throw them in the washing machine and repeat. Up to 460 times. So 460 washes times 6 tissues, that equals to at least 2,760 nose blows. This means that by using LastTissue, you could potentially save about 2,800 single-use tissues, along with their packaging, about 5,520 liters of water, and quite a lot of energy. So not bad for such a simple product. And a few other things that I really liked about LastTissue is that first, the lock. It's amazing. Like, it's so satisfying to play with. Second, I really like how they thoughtfully decided to sew a silicone barrier here on the top tissue to first separate the clean from the used tissues, and second, to indicate when you're at your last clean tissue. And last, It's a lot more badass to pull one of those bad boys than a regular pack of tissues. That's just sad. Similarly to the LastSwab, the LastTissue comes in several different colors, each of which represents an endangered species due to deforestation. Currently, LastTissue are not yet available to purchase from LastObject's website, but they are now live on Kickstarter and you can back them up by pre-ordering your LastTissues starting at $39 for a pack of 3 or about $13 per pack. So my question is, will you make the swap and choose the reusable tissues and swap? Let us know in the comment section below. From me, Stefan Dimov and Project Caritas, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time!